Good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to make custom buttons online. I use different methods, but this is one that's worked the best for me. I'm going to go to the website Pixlr, Pixlr.com, and then I'm going to choose Pixlr X. You'll come to a page like this. I'm going to do Create New. And then I choose icon because that way it's not too big, it's not too small. It's always a good idea to make it a little bigger because it's easier to shrink your picture than it is to make your picture bigger. I'm going to be making a custom reading, so I'm going to call this reading button create. So right now I have a blank canvas. I'm going to use a picture that I have saved on my desktop. Picture of me reading books. It's one of my Bitmoji pictures. So I'm going to click down here on the little button that looks like a mountain and a moon. Add image. Browse. And then I'm going to find where I saved it. I have it saved right here called reading. Okay, it says do you want to create a new layer or add to the current. I always like to do create new, because then I can move things around if I want. To move your picture around, if you want to move it around here, you click the two arrows that are crossed over each other, and then choose Unlock. That lets me slide it down a little, and then I can add text by choosing over here, Add Text, Add New Text. I'm going to write Reading. And then you see if I move my mouse over it, it makes the same little crossed over arrows that I can move. So I'm going to move it up. That purple line means that that's the center of the page. So when I do that, it means that the word is centered on the page. Then I'm going to look over here. Now there are a ton of color choices. There are fonts galore. I'm just going to go with good old-fashioned Courier New, and I'm going to choose black as my color because it's going to go against a white background. And now that I'm happy with it, I will go save. You will want to save it as a PNG. That is the most common image file that we use when we're making these. Download. And rename it reading button. Save. So that's saved on my desktop. I can now go to Canvas, login. Let's go over to my workroom, edit. No. Make some room. So let's change this button that I made. Let's delete that button, and let's put in my new button. Open, submit. All right. Now maybe that's bigger than I'd like. You can go image options. This is what it looks like now. I like to choose small, makes it nice and even. And now it looks more in line with the other ones. Go ahead and link that back to my reading page. Save my work. And I've now created a new button and put it in my page.